In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch prices in Japan Airlines 2026. We'll start right on the Japan Airlines website. Once the homepage loads, look for the main booking area and choose the flight option. This places you in the correct section to search fares and later set up a price watch for your trip. First, enter where you're flying from. Use the city or airport field and pick the correct match from the suggestions so the system knows your departure point. Then enter where you're flying to. Again, select the exact destination shown in the drop-down so you see accurate availability and pricing. Next, select your travel dates. Open the date picker and choose your departing date, then your return date if you're planning a round trip. If your dates are flexible, keep that in mind as you review fares. Prices can vary significantly depending on the day of week and travel season. Set the number of passengers and the travel class that suits your needs, whether that's economy, premium economy, business, or first. This ensures the search results reflect the exact cabin and seat count you want. Now click Search Flights. You'll land on the flight selection page. Here, you'll see available options for your outbound journey. Review the flight times and the corresponding prices, then select the departure that works best for your schedule and budget. After you choose your outbound flight, scroll down to the return options. Compare return times and prices and select the combination that makes sense for you. Once both segments are chosen, look to the right side of the page. You should see a running total that includes the fares and taxes for the itinerary you selected. Take a moment to confirm everything looks correct. This is a great way to avoid surprises later. On that same right-hand side, you'll find the Watch Prices feature. This tool lets you receive updates when the fare for your selected itinerary changes. Click Watch Prices, then enter your email address in the field provided. When you're ready, click Sign Me Up. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know that price updates will be sent to the address you entered. If you don't see alerts later on, remember to check your spam or promotions folders and consider adding the airline's price alert sender to your safe list. Click OK to close the confirmation and return to your selection. That's it. You've searched for flights, reviewed totals, and set up a price watch so you can book when the fare is right. Thanks for watching and happy travels.